In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with receiving verification emails or codes, which can sometimes be a frustrating part of setting up your eBay account or making changes to your settings. Now let's walk through some steps to help you get back on track. First up, let's address the simplest solution. Sometimes your verification email might take a detour and land in your spam or junk folder. So, the first thing you'll want to do is check these folders in your email account. If you find the email there, be sure to mark it as not spam. This helps ensure that future emails from eBay will land right in your inbox, saving you time and stress down the line. Next, let's verify your contact information. Ensuring your email address or phone number is entered correctly is crucial. It's easy to make a typo, so head over to Account Settings, then Personal Information, and double check those details. A simple error here could be the reason you're missing that important message. If everything looks correct and you've still not received the code, let's move on to your next option, which is to resend the code. On the verification page, there's typically an option to resend code. Before doing this, wait a minute or two, as sometimes there can be a slight delay. Clicking resend code can often get it right on its way to you. At this point, if the email method isn't working, consider trying a different way to receive your code. If you initially requested the code via email, switch to receiving it through SMS or vice versa. This change can often resolve the issue, especially if there is some technical blockage on one end. Another area to consider checking is your email filters or phone settings. Some email providers might block automated emails, so reviewing your email filters and settings can be helpful. For SMS issues, make sure your phone is set up to receive text and isn't blocking unknown numbers, as these can sometimes be the source of unexpected text delays or blocks. Moving on, it's a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated or corrupted data can interfere with website functions like verification. If that doesn't work, try using a different browser or even a different device to see if the block is browser specific. If you're using a VPN or proxy, these can sometimes interfere with your connection during the verification process. Disabling them temporarily might help the verification to go through. Finally, if none of these steps do the trick, it's time to reach out to eBay customer support. They have the tools and resources to help you resolve any account-specific issues that might be causing the problem. With these steps, you should be well on your way to successfully receiving your verification email or code. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.